Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send stars on Facebook Reels. So it will be really simple and easy. So the sending stars is the way to go. In just few steps. You will be showing love with stars. So first of all, just open up the Facebook application here. Make sure you're logged into your account. Scroll through your feed or go to the Reels section by tapping on this Reels icon in the top of your screen. Once you are watching the reels, look for the show appreciation option below the video. Tap on it. Show your support. A pop-up will appear showing how many stars you can send. Choose the amount you want to send. Facebook usually lets you buy them in the pack. Tap send to show your appreciation for the creator. The stars will be sent and your support will be visible to the creator. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to send stars on Facebook Reels. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.